Hey everybody, it's Chav, Nobody Else's Auto. Well, we're gonna talk about something completely different than what we usually look at on this channel. But the reason to me it's important is because we're back at Pittsburg State University, where I graduated from, where I got my bachelor's degree in automotive technology, the university that opened the door for me to get into Chrysler, everything like that. So I love this place. We were out traveling, we came through here a few weeks ago, and I still know a lot of the instructors. They're great guys. I've never been anywhere where I've seen instructors that care about their students and their success like I've seen at Pittsburg State and experienced at Pittsburg State. Now they've got all these connections with industry. They put so many people into industry, into the big manufacturers, the big dealership groups all over. And they really do a great job of keeping up with technology. To keep up with technology, all these donations are important, which is what's led to Pittsburg State working on their EV lab. So obviously, if we're on here, we probably like gas and oil, but EVs are going to be part of the world whether we like it or not, and today's students are going to have to understand how they work. So they're working on this EV lab. They've gotten some donations. They've gotten an area set up for it. They've got it marked the electrification lab. They've got a corner carved out of the shop for EV stuff. They have EV components over here that they are to start working with, start studying. Now, don't ask me about any of these because I can't answer your questions, but it is going to become a very real part of the world today. We look at this right here, and the technology that we see right in this one little grouping right here is crazy. And whether we like them or not, it's going to be part of the world, and it's going to be critical that these students at least have an understanding of what they're working with. So this is in the beginning stages of this lab. We can see they've got the components here, and it's not even technically an open working lab yet. They actually still have it blocked off with cones. They're just getting this thing set up, just kind of getting their ducks in a row, because it is an important part of what is coming for the future. So we'll be bringing you some more on this as it comes together, and maybe we can all learn something. Like I said, I don't know much about them, don't plan on having one, but it is going to be part of our world, and it's critical that these students at least have an understanding of them, so that's where they're going with this lab. So as it comes together, next time we're down here, maybe let us do some more content here, we can share some more of it with you, but that's what's so cool about Pittsburg State. These guys are car guys, a lot of the instructors are car guys, they love their old cars too, but it's so important that to teach these students what's coming down the pipe, what they're going to see, and that's what Pitt State does such an amazing job of, is staying on the forefront of that stuff, even with their electrification lab. So maybe the next time we're here, they'll have all these barricades down, and this will be an actual functioning laboratory and be ready to go. But as of right now, it's coming together, and it's going to be exciting to see how it works. So be sure to check out the other videos we've done for Pittsburg State University. I'm super excited they're letting me share this with you. Like I said, this place is pretty close to my heart, and I'm really excited that they're allowing me to spend a little time inside here and share some of it with you. So hope you enjoyed this one. Be sure to check out the other videos we've done for Pittsburg State, and stay tuned for some more cool stuff in the future. Thanks for watching, everybody.